quickly will my home sell is a question that I get from time to time, and I get it. The market trends are actually what are going to determine how quickly your home will sell. Hi, I'm Allison Miller. In a hot market, meaning there's limited inventory and more buyers than there are homes to purchase, you can expect your home to sell faster and for more money. I highly recommend allowing your home to get proper marketing time and to expose your home to the masses to potentially receive multiple offers. In a slower market, where there are more homes on the market than buyers, you can expect your home to take a little bit longer to sell. In this type of market, where there's more inventory, meaning more competition, it's essential to have your home marketed correctly, utilizing digital and traditional marketing methods to have your home stand out from the crowd. But we can discuss the market trends, marketing, and how quickly I think your home will sell when we meet. It's really important to look at the absorption rate when discussing pricing of your home. Absorption rate is a term used to calculate the rate at which homes are sold in a specific amount of time. It's calculated by taking the average number of homes closed sales per month divided by the total number of available homes on the market. According to Investopedia, seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals more than 20% and a buyer's market that's lower than 15%. I personally believe that those numbers are a bit too vague, but it provides a baseline. Right now in today's market, if we see a home that's taking longer than 30 to 45 days to sell, it's usually overpriced. If you're thinking of selling in 2024, give me a call today. As always, I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all together.